Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. Today we have, what am I flipping? The SMKW, or Smoky Mountain Knife Works exclusive, Kizer Big Lighter 2. It is the Get Buzzed edition that was on in August for National Knife Day. Only 100 were made, none were numbered, which is a loss on their end. And it is supposed to look like Bumblebee, kind of. The Transformer. It is tip up, right, or left. Lanyard slot. Jimping on the back of the blade is seldom. Then you got dual thumb stud. Very fidgety. Let's see the centering. It's more perfect than not. A little bit off. And it is black coated Nitro V blade steel. Big Lighter 2. Anzo design. My brother let me carry this, so I'm going to carry it tomorrow. Well, you'll see this in the future, but it'll be the weekend when I carry this. I went to the mall. Reverse look on the left hand. It's so great. You would hold it like so, or like so. Let me scoot this back so I can get more action, more holding ability. Kizer logo, dual thumb studs, Nitro V, Big Lighter 2, yellow and black G10, and the liner lock is yellow. I gotta tighten it side to side, and that's it. That is what I am flipping. The Kizer, the SMKW exclusive Kizer Big Lighter 2 Get Buzzed edition, because it was made to resemble parts of Bumblebee the Transformer. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy the hobby. Hopefully get something good, decent. Collect what you like. Be safe. Look out for the guide girl to your left. Look out for the guide girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your friends, your family, your pets, yummy food, your music, your video games. And remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.